Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, March 19th. It is about 35 degrees.
With the wind
yes,
chill, it feels 35.
You heard that correctly, 35, a full 30 degrees colder than the last trip. We're actually at our second location here this morning. The first one we decided to call because it was just way too windy. As you heard my brother a moment ago, the wind is going to be blowing 20-25 miles an hour all day, and that's going to make it stay or feel like it's still in the mid 30s. Anyway, this sure beats sitting at home, so we're going to cast some lures around and see what we can make of the day.
Well, I don't know if it beats sitting at home right yet.
Anything beats sitting at the house, especially when you get a chance to actually catch a fish. In my case, probably more pickerel. That sounded weird.
I think it flipped off. Glove. Let's try this.
Oh, there we go. We're on the board. Yeah, it's a trout. Okay, there are trout in here. Yeah. I don't know what is with me and the rainbows this year, but
Maybe that's what we're stopped.
well,
It's not a bad one either.
nope. Again, I can't get him on hook though.
That was better than the one you got the other day.
No, not by a long shot.
Come on.
He doesn't have that big of teeth, so I just want to hold you up for a second, guy. I'm going to let you go. But, well, there we are. We're on the board in a 35-degree day with a nice little rainbow. Bye-bye, little buddy. Thank you. Maybe that's what they were just doing, was short striking it. Now I gotta try and remember where the hell he was. Maybe he's got some friends with him.
I wouldn't have used that. I haven't got the bite yet. It's too quick. If it's worth it, I'm going to try it.
Nope, here we go.
Trout. Well, at least
No, it's a pickerel, I think. Oh yeah, it is another little trout. All right, little buddy.
one thing you can't
Come on.
say
No, what the heck is it?
That's
Oh yeah, it is. Looks like a brown or a brook. I don't even know how to tell these apart anymore. Boy, he's got that good though. Bollocks. I'm gonna need my pliers for him.
I guess you could say I still have a knack for picking spots.
Okay, you're almost ready, buddy. Almost ready. Yeah, not a very big one. Boy, he's got some teeth, and I do prefer the rainbow over you, but there you go. Bye-bye, guy. Thank you. He hit twice, by the way. I thought it was a weed the first time, but it wasn't. He came up, tapped it, and then came back and decided he wanted that MEPS. Bass, or is that another brown?
Oh boy, look at you got
Oh God, you got him sculled.
trebles. Oh my gosh.
Yay, you're on the board though.
Yeah.
Another brown.
Yes. Sorry, buddy. You just get that to record.
Oh yeah, we got it. Good gob, or good job.
Good God. Good God.
Good gob, brother. Good gob. Place.
We're good and anchored, right?
Yes.
All right.
There we go. He's angry, whatever it is.
Looks like another trout.
Hopefully it's not a pickerel. No, it looks like another, yeah, you're right, it is another trout. He doesn't want to give up. He might want to get the net. I don't know.
I have a crank.
Okay. Yeah. It's a halfway decent one. I wonder if I can grab him, but
Hold on.
he just doesn't want to stop. Scoop him. Alrighty, beauty. Thank you, bro. Of course. Jesus, I really am a klutz today. Whatever the heck I'm trying to say. Yeah, he's a decent one, Craig. He's a little bit of a chunk. Oh, I love this rubberized net. That thing just came right out of there. I'm gonna need my pliers. Jeez, these things are strong. I can feel them pulsing in my hand. But I'm gonna get you loose, buddy. Come on.
Mine sounded when I was trying to get the sound, it was making like this gargling sound.
You're probably squeezing the heck out of it then.
Too dramatic.
All right, we're gotcha. Boy, look at that one. There you go.
See, yeah, that's not bad.
Not at all.
Nothing like we would have been getting flat.
No, I know, but there he goes. Thank you, Pally. Good stuff. All right. Got your net back.
They would have put a mix of everything when they stocked.
And just managed to hook myself in the arm.
It seems like it's all more that type of stuff. The other day it was all rainbow.
I don't care what it is. I enjoy catching them. Even though my fingers are about so numb they're going to fall off. My gloves are on. It's just they haven't warmed up since the last getting unsnagged from the tree limb. I'm glad that thing was waterlogged and broke as easily as it did. Otherwise, I would have lost my lure. There we go. Another couple of casts. Actually, it was the next cast. Yep. So that's 2 in a row.
Yeah, it is.
That's not a bad deal right there. I'll take it. What is it? Another one. Hey, at least I don't have any pickerel today. That's a bonus for me. I'm like cursed when it comes to pickerel. It's like that's all I catch some days. You got one too? Nice. All right, let me get you buddy, so we can see what Craig's got over here. That's a good one. Nice net job. There you go. All right, I'm gonna take another cast here real quick. Boy, this wind is just fierce today. God, probably gonna have a whole bunch of annoying reverb sounds on the mic. What was that on Chick Magnet again? Oh, same spinner here.
You got the camera ready?
I'm getting it. I still have no connection. You got one? At some point, you might have to try and drop your anchor too. I am like so sick of reeling in under the canoe because this freaking wind, yeah, makes it very difficult to fish. Of course, we knew it, but yeah.
Drop my phone in the fucking water.
Well, don't do that. You gotta remember to release them so they're upright, because if they're on their sides, they sometimes don't recover.
Remember I learned that
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I noticed. Like I said, it feels like they're coming up, nipping the tail, chasing it again, nipping the tail again. My rod. All right, hold on. You're just going to make it worse. There you go.
I thought it was
Oh, good night.
lost it.
I lost it.
Bailing back up again.
Yep, he was just coming up.
So that I could get the
That felt like a decent one too.
They have good fight, I will say.
I should check my line. I never checked my line after I got stuck on that stump, did I? Yeah, it's good. I honestly can't remember. I'm sure they're all over the place.
Is it between 12 and 2 by any chance? Because that was supposed to be the minor hot time.
I'll check when I get my... Yeah, this wind is brutal. I'm glad this jacket is windproof. It's 12:45.
Oh, so we are in the time.
Yeah, so we've actually only been here, what, about 2 hours and 15 minutes now?
Not even.
Well, yeah, because we met at 10 and then we had to drive back here and unload, so...
Load, so it's probably easily 10 to 30.
Yeah, that's so...
Water, so...
Yeah, 2 hours and 15 minutes.
What do you got, 3? And I got 3.
I think 3 and 3, yeah.
Yeah, so we got 6 on a day where we didn't think we'd catch anything. Oh,
Because it's 5 degrees out and 40-mile-an-hour wind.
Past over there, and below this
Might have to have a snack soon. I omitted breakfast. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Come on, Bubby. It's not a bad one either. Alright, let me see if I can grab, yes.
definitely seems to be the hot spot right out there in the middle.
Oh, I barely had him hooked. I mean, the 2 trebles were in his mouth, but the one was just barely on the corner of his skin. The other one wasn't on anything. Thank you, buddy. Now go back to have your lunch. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's good reply. But okay, thank you for the update. Have fun.
Yeah. It's kind of... It is another rainbow, I think. Yeah, it is. Not as nice a color on that one as the other ones had. It's kind of long and lanky looking.
That's one of the stock ones.
It's gotta be. Yeah, he wasn't coming off though. He's
All
got...
the ones we've caught are stock ones.
I'm sure.
The same size, not like those giants in black that have been in there for a while.
The holdovers. Oh man, poor guy. I'll try to get you as gently as I can. Good stuff, you're off. All right, and yeah, he doesn't have nearly as good a colors as the one the other day either. But nonetheless, thank you, buddy. Bye for now, fella. Well, not bye for now. I'm not going to see you again, but... I wish I remembered my towel, because he was kind of slimy. Oh, well,
That was on the phone.
you got my fish?
No, but I'm just not taking it. It's a good thing I used the net, because look at where the lure is.
It just came out?
Just came out.
Oh, man.
Really bad. I can't believe I caught a trout.
On a lipless crankbait.
A red lipless.
Hey, it worked. I heard it that time. He's probably squeezing him too hard. Well, none of them have been complaining when I caught them.
Thanks, buddy.
You got one of those weird loops again? There we go. Is it another rainbow? Yep, looks like it. Yeah, it is. Okay. Well, that's weird. He somehow got... I'm lucky I didn't lose him or the lure. I don't know how the heck he got that all whapped around. Whapped around? Rascally Webbit. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Thank you. Well, the bite did die off for a while there, but I guess there's still some... Oh, maybe that's what you saw surface. I turned my lure into a weaving loom, though. I don't know how. Yeah, the line's okay still, fortunately, but that was a little bizarre how that happened. Well, folks, as you can see, it's time to pack up the gear and head on out. Had a pretty good day after all. Didn't turn out to be as bad a disaster as I thought it was going to be with the wind, but the temperature just kept dropping and the bite kind of dropped off. Went a couple hours with no catches, got one more little rainbow, and since then it's been nothing. So time to cut our losses and head home. We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye for now.